Hello all, this is Madhu. Welcome to Global Pharma Update channel. And today we have interesting updates on product approvals, launches, FDA inspections, recalls, and partnership of the companies. And thanks for watching my videos. Many persons are supporting me. Continue the same. And new viewers, please subscribe and watch it. Today we'll start with the product approvals. In this first one is Microjo. Suppose imagine living with a heart that works too hard and every step you feel like a mountain. This is the life with obstructive hypertrophic cardiomyopathy in which the person heart muscles contracts too strongly and it blocks the blood flow. To overcome this, US FDA approved a Mecarjo, that is the generic name of that's the brand name, and its generic name is Avicam 10. This is the first next generation cardiac myosin inhibitor and it is developed by Cytokinetics. This tablet is not just masks the symptoms, it reduces the overactive heart muscles, easing the obstruction and gives the patient back their breath. And if we use this medicine over, its suppression can lead to heart failure. Second, Pharma update is from India. Emcure recently launched a new product, poviztra. It is a brand name and its generic name is semaglutide. And in India, many persons are suffering with obesity and type 2 diabetes. For that, they're unable to manage their diet and diabetes. For that reason, Emcure launched the drug poviztra. It is developed under the partnership with the Novo Nordisk, and it is a second India's second GLP-1 therapy after liraglutide. It controls the blood sugar and supports the weight loss, and it should be taken once weekly. And in entire duration of video, we are not encouraging any medicines to use directly, and everything should be used under the prescription only. Next one is Abdorolfin alpha. Recently, European Medicine Agency granted a orphan drug designation to the Abdorolfin alpha. What do you mean by orphan drugs? Orphan drugs is a medicine developed to treat the rare diseases that affect very few patients. Because the market is small, companies usually won't develop these drugs without special incentives from the government. So, for these cases, many companies won't like to develop the orphan drugs. But Sanofi developed a drug, Abdorolfin alpha, and it is designed to restore the protective proteins in lungs. Unlike plasma derivated treatments, this innovation uses a fusion protein to consistently block the enzymes that damage the lung tissues. USFDA recently expanded the approval of the Akeega. It is a combination product and it is mainly used for the cancer treatment. In this combination, it contains the niraparib and abiraterone. It is a dual-acting tablet, and in this niraparib is a PARP inhibitor, and abiraterone is a androgen suppressor. It finds cancer cells by disrupting the DNA repair and shut down the hormonal fuel. And during performing the clinical trials, it showed a 54% reduction in progression risk for BRCA2 mutant patients. For the first time, precision medicine meets the hormonal therapy in one pill. As it is the combination pill, it is giving more curing values. And for India, we can import this medicine and it is costing around 4.6 lakhs per bottle. This is not exact value, it may vary based on the import values. Our next big topic is recalls. In recent times, we observed three major recalls across the world. In this, all are major companies: Glenmark Pharmaceuticals, Hamel, and Actavis Pharmaceuticals. In that, we will go to Glenmark's recall. Glenmark Pharmaceutical initiated a recall in the US state for its bisoprolol and hydrochloric thiazide tablets. It is a combination product used for the treatment of the hypertension. And in this recall, it involves around 11,000 bottles. And the main reason for the recall is cross contamination issues during the manufacturing of the product. During manufacturing, it is mixed with the another cholesterol containing medicine, and this recall is classified as an active recall to protect the patient from potential risk associated with the this compromised product quality. And next, coming to Hamel recall, UK's MHRA issued a Class 2 recall for Hamel Pharma clarithromycin 500 mg infusion, and in this, inspectors found the raw material supplier violated the GMP standards, and which triggered the withdrawal of their certification. And in this recall, they captured around they recalled around 33 batches, and most of the batches are having expiry of 2028 also. And this is not life threatening, but action was critical because clarithromycin is widely used in hospitals for the many issues like pneumonia, bronchitis, sinusitis, and skin infections. The last one is prednisolone from Activist Pharma. UK's MHRA recently issued a Class 3 recall for prednisolone 5 mg soluble tablet, which is manufactured by Activist Pharma. In this, the main reason for the recall is blister packs were swelling due to gas buildup, and it is caused by excipients reacting with trace moisture. And in this recall, majorly 2 batches were involved, and this is also not a life threatening, but due to the patient perspective, the 2 batches were recalled. Our next topic is collaboration of the companies. In this, 4 major companies collaborated to give the service to the patients. In this, first one is Ajanta Pharma collaborated with the Biocon, and Bharat Biotech collaborated with the Biopharma. Then we will move to Ajanta's and Biocon collaboration. In this, Ajanta announced a partnership with the Biocon to market the semaglutide. It's a breakthrough GLP-1 therapy for diabetes and obesity, and they're planning to serve across 26 countries in Africa, Middle East, and Central Asia. Under this deal, Ajanta secured exclusive rights in 23 nations and semi-exclusive rights in 3 more regions. And with this commercialization expected after local regulatory approval in late 2026, the collaboration positions Ajanta to enter the fast-growing GLP-1 market. As we know, Bharat Biotech is the hub for vaccines, and it serves the Indian people. This company collaborated with the Biopharma company for new vaccine. It is the Biopharma is a Spain-based company, and Biopharma and Bharat Biotech signed a technical transfer agreement for the NTB-VAC tuberculosis vaccine. It is the world's only live attenuated mycobacterium tuberculosis vaccine in development. Its partnership will establish a managing capacity in India and ensure the supply to more than 70 countries across Africa, Southeast Asia, regions with highest TB burden. It helps in positioning Bharat Biotech as a global hub for vaccine production. Thanks for watching my video. In the introduction of video, if you like any way, please subscribe. And I'm giving my efforts to give the good pharma contents to all the viewers across the world, especially in India. So please support me and do subscribe and watch.